Hello students, today we are going to learn the continuing part of the chapter 4 parts and wholes. We already learned how to write the fractions. Now we see some examples. Okay, first one, write as a fractions. We see some example how to write in a fractions. 16 divided by 5. It is the symbol of division. Here we write the given question in fraction form. We see how to write it. See here it is numerator and it is denominator. It is denominator. Okay. Here we already know in fraction form upper part is numerator and lower part is denominator. Like this we write here numerator is 16. We write in a upper case, means upper part we write the numerator and in lower part we write the denominator, that is 5. So like this way we write 16 divided by 5. In a fraction form we can write this 16 by 5. Okay, we see another example, that is 18 divided by 9. We already know here 18 is numerator and 9 is denominator. So how can we write this one in a fraction form? Numerator is write in upper part and denominator is write in lower part. So we can write it as 18 by 9. Okay. Like this we write 21 divided by 3. Upper part we write numerator and lower part we write denominator. Okay, is 21 by 3. Like this 31 divided by 4. Same here we write numerator in upper part and denominator in lower part. We can write it as 31 by 4. Okay, like this way we write the fractions. Okay, next we see some other examples. We see how to write the fractions in a division form. Okay, write given fractions, we write here the given fractions in a division form. See here 16 by 9. It is one fraction. Here we write these fractions in a division form. How we write this one? It is numerator. Okay. Upper part is numerator and lower part is denominator. How you write one? How you write like this in a division form? See here, we write like this 16 divided by 9. 16 is numerator. First we write numerator, then put the division symbol, then write denominator. Here we can write it as 16 divided by 9. Okay. Like this we write 18 divided by 8. We can write in a division form. See here 18 divided by 8. 18 is numerator and 8 is denominator. Here 18 by 8. We can write it as 18 divided by 8. Okay. You see some other examples. 35 divided by 7. It is one fraction form. We write in a division form, that is 35 divided by 7. Okay, it is the division form of 35 by 7. 40 divided by 15. Here we write it as 40 divided by 15. Like this way we write the fractions into division form. Okay. Now we see about reciprocals. We see how to write the reciprocals. Reciprocals, it is nothing but it is the multiplicative inverse. It is the multiplicative inverse. Here we have to take the reverse of the number. Mean, you see some examples. 7. Here we write the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 7. How we write this one? We see. Here 7 means we write in a fraction form, that is 7 by 1. It is equal to 7. Now we write the reciprocal of 7 by 1. Here we take multiplicative inverse, means we take the inverse of it, that is 1 by 7. Here 7 is in numerator and 1 is in denominator. If we write the reciprocal, here we take inverse of it, means here the new denominator, it becomes denominator goes into numerator and numerator goes into denominator. That becomes the reciprocal, means multiplicative inverse. Okay, see here. Now we write the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3. How we write? See here 2 is in numerator and 3 is in denominator. Now we write the reciprocal. How we write? We take, means we reverse it. See here we have 2 by 3. If you write the reciprocal, we write 3 by 2. Means 3 is in denominator and 2 is in numerator. We just change the numerator and denominator. Means reciprocal, it becomes here 3 is in numerator and 2 is in denominator. It is the reciprocal of 2 by 3. See here, if you multiply them, we get the answer. Here we have 2 by 3. If you write the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Here we get the answer 1. So this is known as the multiplicative inverse. We see some other examples. Here we write the reciprocal of 6 by 7. How we write? We just reverse it, means we get 7 by 6. It is the reciprocal of 7 by 6 is the reciprocal of 6 by 7. Okay, just take reverse. Next we write 8 by 9. We write the reciprocal of 8 by 9. That is 9 by 8. Okay. Like this, we write the reciprocal of 9. That is 1 by 9. Here 9 means it is 9 by 1. If you write the reciprocal of 9 by 1, it is 1 by 9. Like this, we write 10 by 5. We write the reciprocal of 10 by 5. That is 5 by 10. Okay. Like this way, we write the reciprocals of the given numbers. Okay. Now see some other example. Okay, see here. The given question is write the missing numbers. Write the missing numbers. Okay, here 6 by 10. We have 6 by 10. Here we have, in LHS part we have 6 by 10. In RHS part we have only 30. In numerator we have 30. In denominator we don't have any number. We write the missing number here. How we write this one? See here. Here we have 6 and here we have 30. Here we have 6 and here we have 30. If we multiply 6 and 5, we get 30. 6 5s are 30. So, here we multiply by 5, we get 30. So, in denominator also, we multiply by 5, we get 50. We already know about the equivalent fraction. The number is multiply and divided by same value. Then we get the missing number. Here we have 30. If you multiply 6 into 5, we get 30 here. In same denominator, we multiply by 5 and 10, we get 50. Then we have the missing numbers, that is 50. Okay, you see another example. 2 by 3. Here we have 6. Here we write the missing number. How we write this one? See here. If you multiply by 3 and 2, we get 6. 3 2s are 6. So here in numerator also we multiply the numerator by same number, that is 2. What we get? 2 2s are 4. Here we multiply and divided by same number in numerator and also in denominator. Okay. Another example. 9 by 3. Here we get 18. Here we don't know the number. Here we write the missing number. See here. If you multiply 9 into 2, we get 18. So, like this way, we multiply by the same number in a denominator, that is 3 into 2. What we get? We get 6. Like this way, we find out the missing numbers, that is multiply and divided by the same number in numerator as well as in denominator. Thank you. I hope all of you understand this type of examples.